Do you ever feel like you study English, but your English doesn't really improve? You watch videos, you learn words, you try hard, but then, when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. If that's you, hey, you're not alone. And listen, you don't need more talent. You need better daily habits. Because English isn't something you learn one time. English is something you build a little every day. Today, I'll show you 5 simple daily habits that can improve your English faster. No stress, no long study hours, no overwhelm. Even if you're busy, even if you're tired, even if you feel shy. All right, let's do this together. Hey, welcome to English Uplift. I'm your host. You can call me Host. And before we start, I've got something for you. I made a free PDF worksheet for this video. Yup, free. And it's super helpful. Inside the PDF, you'll get 3 things. First, key vocabulary from today's lesson. Second, sample sentences you can copy and use. And third, a full audio file of this lesson, so you can listen again, anytime you want. The link is in the description. Go grab it. And here's the best part. You can study while walking, driving, cooking, or doing chores. Just press play and repeat with me. Okay, now let's jump into the 5 daily habits. Habit 1. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, seriously. You don't need a partner. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to use English out loud. Why is this important? Because speaking is a skill, and skills need practice. If you only read and listen, your mouth and brain don't learn to work together. So here's an easy way. Pick one moment every day. Brushing your teeth, making coffee, walking outside. Then say simple sentences. I'm tired today. I have a lot of work. I need to buy food. Today is going to be a good day. Keep it simple. Beginner level is perfect. Here's what I do. Sometimes I feel lazy. I don't want to study. So I tell myself, okay, host, just 2 minutes. And I talk about anything. I'm making coffee. It smells good. I want to drink it slowly. Not fancy, but powerful. Mini challenge. After this video, say 5 sentences about your day. Out loud. Not in your head. Out loud. Habit 2. Learn chunks, not single words. A chunk is a short phrase you can use right away. For example, don't learn only the word busy. Learn chunks like these. I'm busy right now. I've been busy lately. Sorry, I'm a little busy. Why is this important? Because real English isn't single words, it's phrases. Chunks help you speak faster and sound more natural. Quick story. I used to memorize big vocabulary lists. I learned many words, but I couldn't speak. I knew the word recommend, but I didn't know how to use it. Then I learned chunks like these. I recommend this movie. Can you recommend a restaurant? I highly recommend it. And suddenly, I could use the word in real life. So today, pick one topic: food, work, travel. Then learn 3 chunks. Food chunks. I'm craving something sweet. This tastes amazing. I'm full. Work chunks. I'm working on it. I'll get back to you. I'm running late. Nice. But now the question is, how do you remember these chunks? That's habit 3. Habit 3. Use the repeat and record method. Here's the method. Step 1. Listen to one short sentence. Step 2. Repeat it. Step 3. Record your voice. Step 4. Compare your voice with the original. Why is this important? Because you can't fix what you don't notice. Recording helps you hear your pronunciation, your rhythm, your speed, and your stress. Let me be honest. The first time I recorded my voice in a new language, I hated it. I was like, ugh, that's my voice? But after a few days, I improved faster because I finally heard my real pronunciation. You can do this with YouTube videos, podcasts, movie lines, or the full audio from my free worksheet. Start with easy sentences. I want to improve my English. I'm learning step by step. I can do this. Record just 30 seconds. That's it. Small steps. Every day. Habit 4. Micro-listening. Every day. Micro-listening means short, focused listening. Just 1 to 3 minutes. Not 30 minutes in the background. Not a full movie you can't understand. Just a small piece, repeated. Why is this important? Because repetition builds understanding. Listen 1 time, you forget. Listen 5 times, your brain starts to notice patterns, common phrases, pronunciation, natural speed, linking sounds. Here's what changed for me. I used to watch long videos and feel motivated, but my listening didn't improve much. Then I switched to micro-listening. I chose one short clip, maybe 20 seconds. I listened again and again until I understood it clearly. Then I copied one sentence and used it that day. Here's a simple routine. First time, listen only. Second time, read subtitles. Third time, repeat out loud. That's it. And if you use my audio file, you can do this anywhere. Walking, driving, cleaning. Easy. Habit 5. Use English in real life. But start small. Not big goals like, I will speak with foreigners every day. That's hard. Too hard for most people. Do tiny, real actions. Change your phone language to English. Write a 3-line journal in English. Comment 1 sentence on YouTube in English. Send 1 simple message to a friend. Or say 1 sentence at a cafe. For example, can I get a latte, please? Why is this important? Because English becomes real when it becomes part of your life. When English is only study, you feel pressure. When English is life, you feel progress. Quick story. A student told me, I'm shy, I can't speak. So we made one rule. Every day, she wrote 1 English sentence on her phone. Just 1. Today, I feel sleepy. I ate noodles for lunch. I want to travel someday. After 30 days, she had 30 sentences. After 60 days, 60 sentences. Then she said something amazing. Now English feels normal. That's the goal. Not perfect English, normal English. Want a simple routine? Try this. 10 minutes a day. 2 minutes, talk to yourself. 2 minutes, learn 2 or 3 chunks. 2 minutes, repeat and record 1 sentence. 2 minutes, micro-listening. 2 minutes, write 1 real-life sentence. That's it. You don't need 2 hours. You need consistency. A little every day. Beats a lot once in a while. All right, quick recap. Today, we covered 5 daily habits to improve your English. 1. Talk to yourself in English. 2. Learn chunks, not single words. 3. Repeat and record your voice. 4. Micro-listening every day. 5. Use English in real life. Tiny actions. If you do these daily, your English will grow step by step. And hey, don't forget the free PDF worksheet. It includes key vocabulary, sample sentences, and the full audio file. Download it from the link in the description and study anywhere. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to English Uplift. It supports the channel and helps me make more lessons for you. Thanks for watching. And remember, keep uplifting your English.